Hi everyone. Welcome back to Stitch and Carry Creations, your go-to place for simple and beautiful bag making tutorials. It's been a little while, but I'm excited to be back with something really useful. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to make this mini pouch with 6 pockets. This project is perfect if you want something practical yet stylish, whether for your personal use or to add to your handmade collection for sale. You don't need to be an expert. I'll take you through each step slowly and clearly. We'll cover the materials you need, the cutting process, stitching, and final finishing, so even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to follow along easily. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss any of my new tutorials. Let's jump right in and start making this beautiful 6-pocket pouch.
So this is the leather I'll be using to make the mini hand purse. Then I'll be using lining. After that, zip cloths, logo to design the purse, then magnet tape with zip mouth, and lastly taping. So the measurement is 18 inches length by 9 inches wide. So for the lining, the measurement is 19 inches length by 9.5 inches wide. So I'll be joining the main body and the lining together by stitching it round together. So this is it after stitching it round together. So I cut out 2 zip cloths for it. Then I'll be sewing the zip cloths to the 2 sides. So I'm done sewing it together. After that, I will turn it over for top stitching the both sides. So I've top stitched it, the both sides. Now I'll be adding the logo to it. So I will take the main body, I will fold it into 2 to get the midpoint of both sides. I will take the logo, I will turn it to the back side, then I will place it at the middle and stitch it together. So I'm done with stitching it. Then I will turn it to the front side for top stitching. I will fold the mouth of the second side inside before top stitching it. So I'm done with stitching it round. So I'll be adding the magnet tape to it now. So to get the center of where to place the magnet tape, for the top I measure 2.3 inches out, and for the side I measure 1.5 inches. After that, I connect the two together with a small dot at the middle. Then I repeat it round to the 3 sides that remain. Then I cut out small 2 magnet tape. After that, I separate the magnet tape. Then I place it at the middle of the point I connected earlier, each side. Now I'm going to be closing up the second side of the zip. I cut out the 2 material I'll be using. The measurement is 2 inches by 9 inches. So I try to divide it into 2 for folding. So I'm done with folding it. Now I'll be attaching it to the zip cloth. I will take the zip cloth, I'll put it at the middle, fold it together and stitch it together. So I'm done with the sewing and I've also added the zip mouth to it. After that, I cut out lining, and the measurement of the lining is 21.5 by 10 inches. Then I also cut out 10.5 inches zip cloth. So I'll fold the lining into 2 to get the midpoint. After getting the midpoint, I'll cut it into 2. After that, I'll take the zip cloth and separate it into 2. So I'll place the zip cloth on a lining, right side facing each other, and stitch it together. I'm done stitching it together. Now I will turn it over for top stitching. So after top stitching the boat, I use the zip mouth to connect it together. Now I will turn the lining to the back side and take the main body, fold it into two and notch out the midpoint both sides. Then I will place it on a lining and stitch it round together. After that, I'll turn it to the back side. Then I'll fold it into two, make sure it rhymes with each other. After that, I'll stitch the both sides. Now I will use the taping to tape the both sides to make it look neat.
I'm done tapping both sides of the pouch. Now I'll use matches to gently close up the mouth and give it a neat finish. And that's it, our mini pouch is ready. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this 6-pocket mini pouch with me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other sewing lovers. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. I'd love to see your creations. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to Stitch and Carry Creations for more easy and creative bag making tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy sewing!